let's go over even and odd numbers. So first of all, even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so what that means is if you divide it by 2, you get another integer. So for example, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So because this divides perfectly, 6 is an even integer. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Again, we get an integer answer, so that means that 8 is even. If we did 5 divided by 2, we would get 2.5. This is not an integer, so 5 isn't divisible by 2, so it's not even. A quick way to tell if a number is even or not is all even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So if we want to count even numbers, we could count 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ends in a 0, 12 ends in 2, 14 ends in 4, 16 ends in a 6, 18, 20, 22, and so on. Also, even numbers can be negative. So we have negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, and so on. If you notice, when you're counting even numbers, we're just adding 2. We're counting by 2. So if we want to represent this algebraically, the first even number could be x. Then the next one would be 2 greater than this one. So the next one would be x plus 2. The next number is going to be 2 bigger than this. So it's going to be 4 bigger than this one. So x plus 4. Then the next one will be 6 bigger than this. X plus 6. So to demonstrate, let's say x is 6. That means this number is 6 plus 2. This one would be 6 plus 4. This number would be 6 plus 6. So we have 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, but there's also odd integers. Odd integers are not divisible by 2. So, just like these end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, odd integers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So we could have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. And odds also include negatives, so negative 1, negative 3, negative 5, and so on. If we look at these, you'll notice that when we count, we're also increasing by 2 each time. So to represent odd numbers algebraically will be the same as evens. These even numbers increase by 2, odd numbers increase by 2. So that for odd we'll have x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. So to demonstrate, let's say x is 5. Then we have 5 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 6. So we end up with 5. 5 plus 2, there should be a 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 6, 11. So odd numbers, 5, 7, 9, 11. So just to recap, the most important thing about even, to identify it right away, it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9.